So this is the whole purpose of DOGE, right? To reduce government spending. But isn't the spending kind of keeping our economy afloat right now? If all of a sudden we were to cut all the spending, wouldn't that be deflationary and collapse asset prices, which is what they do not want at all costs?
Yeah, in a way, it's been a main driver of asset prices because I talked about those bond holders, the treasury holders. In a way, these fiscal deficits and this period of fiscal dominance, the people that are benefiting are the ones that already own assets. And so they're benefiting from the asset price inflation. And so you would think that if they tried to cut all this spending, that you would see the opposite effect, where you would see asset prices fall. Now, yes, I think that would be a temporary deflationary period and there would be some pain and panic. But I think what we all probably suspect is that the Fed would come in as the buyer of last resort and come in and save the day again. But the one component, and we can get into DOGE, I'm all for it. Like, I want to shrink the government. I think the government's the worst allocator of capital. I would love it if we shrunk the government and reduced the spending and more of the activity came from the private sector. I think that's healthier and I think that's better and more sustainable. But when you actually break down the numbers, it's going to be really hard for them to meet these goals that are getting thrown out there. And I don't think people have ran the numbers in terms of where the spending is getting spent on, what is actually available to cut.